You know what we need to do today? We need to go on a trip. Actually, you know what? We need to really actually go on a trip. I want to get on an airplane and go somewhere tropical so badly. But today we're going to go on a different type of trip. We are going to explore the world through French fries. I had asked you on Instagram as well as in my last fries video, what are some different ways that you enjoy French fries where you're from? Is there like a traditional recipe or something that's up and coming? And I kind of wanted to explore some different ways that people eat French fries. I know not everyone eats fries. I know it's not like an everywhere thing, but I thought it'd be kind of fun to like explore some new recipes. I'm super excited because today's video is sponsored by Cavendish Farms. It's actually the French fries that we bought for the last French fry video because that's what we buy. We love their French fries. I'm pointing over here because they're frozen French fries. They live in there. And they have a variety of different types of fries, but the ones that we're gonna be using today are their drive-through fries, which are, hold on, I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna show you. These are almost those like, you know, those like really nice and thin, almost shoestring like French fries. I don't know if you have a preference on how you do your fries, but I love this kind. They just got some brand new packaging, and these are the ones that we probably go through the most often. And they are super quick, about 10 minutes to get them done, and they're delicious. Do you need to go out and get French fries, or do you just need to make these? Then they're just in my freezer and I don't have to leave my house. It's a win-win. So these are the French fries we're gonna be using, and we're gonna test out a whole bunch of different recipes. It's gonna be so much fun. Big thanks to Cavendish Farms for sponsoring today's video. And now let's dive into the recipes. So first thing we're gonna do is we're going to preheat the oven. 450. Go. And now while the oven is preheating and also while it's gonna be cooking up the fries, we're gonna make 3 separate fry concoctions, if you will. These ones are all relatively straightforward and more like dips or sauces that are kind of spices and things like that. So I thought it'd be kind of interesting to have them side by side. And hopefully my oven doesn't take 4,000 years to heat up. Looking at you. So the first one we're gonna make is from Brazil, and this is a green mayo. And I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, but I think it's mayonnaise verde. Did I do okay? Hopefully I did. But it's such a beautiful kind of a sauce. I've seen it done a couple of different ways. Some people like drizzle it all over the fries. Some people like dip it, but it looks really good and I'm very excited about it. It seems pretty straightforward too. Basically you take mayo, or you can obviously make mayo from scratch, which I didn't do. I have about a cup here, bloop. And then we're gonna take about 3 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley as well as chives. These actually came from my mom's garden. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Anyone else take random food from their parents? No, just me. And then last but not least, some garlic. We have some chopped garlic here. It's like about a teaspoon and a half, maybe? And then of course salt, you can't forget salt. Get that in there. And then we blend. Come on, Bertha. Is it Bertha? Is that what we named her blender? I don't remember. Is it Betty? That was embarrassing that I've already forgotten. All right, let's blend her. Whack it down more. Get to the bottom. There we go. This is looking like such a fun green sauce, but I need to mix it more. Hang on. Okay, I think I got it. I have here a beautiful green sauce. It looks amazing. Oh, it smells amazing. Look at that color. Ugh. Obsessed. So excited about this one. And then I think the next one is probably the most popular one that I saw, and that is basically taking a chaat masala spice blend and sort of seasoning your fries with it, which I think that sounds amazing. And so I have a chaat masala blend, so that is done. And then the next one I wanna make is from South Korea, and it's not a super recent trend, but it's more of a trending type of a seasoning, and that is honey butter. Apparently it originated as like a chips kind of a recipe. I have to move these out of the way, it's annoying me. Just can't see it like at the bottom of the screen. But the honey butter originated as a chips flavor, and it was so popular that I think even like some of the fast food chains started to take it and use it as like a dipping sauce for French fries. And so one that I saw a lot of was sort of drizzling it over top and tossing your French fries in this sort of honey butter concoction. It's got a little bit of cayenne pepper in it as well, I think, and just like a whole bunch of different things. So I'm very excited. How many times have I said excited already in this video? Clean off the counter here. Quick pause, put the fries on. Trying to make them as like single layer as I can. All right, in for 10 minutes. Okay, now time for the South Korean honey butter fries. So we're gonna take half a cup of honey. Get in there. A quarter cup of butter. They specified in the one that I found a richer butter, which has like a higher percentage of milk fat. And then 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a little bit of cayenne pepper. Every time I say that, I wanna say cayenne pepper. Bloop, maybe a little bit more. A little bit of salt. And then we're just gonna take this over to the stove and just let it melt down until it becomes this nice, gooey, delicious sauce that we can drizzle over the French fries. All right, I have some French fries. Christopher, they freeze. Oh, I haven't salted them. Ta-da! Look at those.
Love fries.
Love fries. And look at, we have 3 different kind of variations, if you will. Oh, it's okay, it's still good, I'm gonna eat it. So first we have to start with the preparation. Yeah. So this one's easy, we're just gonna dip. This is the Brazil green mayo. This one I need to drizzle. You're gonna like it, you're gonna like it, it's gonna be fine. Right. And then this one is South Korea, and it's like a honey butter. Kind of a glazy thing. I don't know how much to put on, but I feel like that looks good. And then the last one, chaat masala. Again, don't know how much to put on. Something like that. Oh, that smells really good.
It does.
Ooh, okay.
Like that.
Well, what are we gonna start with then?
Get the mayo over with.
Don't say over with. It's gonna be delicious.
Mayo as a vehicle for things is okay.
Okay, but like, it has like parsley and chives and stuff. Good for you, Christopher. You took an actual amount. Boop. I like that. Very garlicky. Turn it around, no double dipping.
Garlic is really good in that, actually. I don't love the texture. I'm never gonna love the texture of mayo, but the flavor is really good.
It is really good. Very like garlic forward. Mm-hmm. I feel like I could up more like chives and stuff like that and it would balance it a little, but like.
There aren't a lot of things that fries are bad with, but that's good.
We've tried that too. Americans and the shakes. Couldn't do it.
I don't get it.
No, this is, remember the honey butter chips we saw in Bon Appetit?
Yeah.
That's like this whole vibe. Mmm. Oh, I'm gonna dip that.
Good move, South Korea.
Oh, dip it. Do a dip with it. Oh, they are on to something here. It was not difficult to make.
They're right to do that. That's very good.
That's amazing. Mm-hmm. Wow. Look at what we've been sleeping on with like ketchup, honestly. I'm disgusted.
That right there? That's good for the soul. Get it?
Okay, wait. We have so many more fries to eat.
I know, I'm trying.
Okay, now, chaat masala now.
Right.
This is the most popular one that I saw. I hope I got it on. Like maybe I have to do like an oil to kind of get it to stick. Ooh, it's got a kick to it. These are all so good. Do you taste that?
Oh yeah, that is good. Mm-hmm.
What if, wait, fusion moment. Wait for it. Wait for it. Do it. The warm brown sugar with the warm chaat masala. I don't know if that's okay to do, but I feel like that's a very good combination. A nice little fusion. I like that.
I think I like them both separately better, but that does work.
It works together.
Yeah.
I'm just saying. It's another option. What's your favorite one? I don't know if I can choose.
Well, it's not the mayo.
Mayo's
That's
so
a given.
good. So garlicky.
It is garlicky. It's the chaat masala. That's really good.
I can't decide. These two are in second. This one just like really wowed me, but I'm very much a sweet tooth, so we kind of saw that coming. Do you want to test more with me?
Yeah, I do actually. Yeah, I wasn't sure what to think, but these were fantastic. Yeah.
Okay.
Really good. Try those.
Oh, so good. Okay, now on to a fries recipe that comes from the Dominican. It is yaroa, I believe is how it's pronounced, and it's sort of a layered thing we have fries and then. Thank you, oven. Fries, a meat tomato sauce, cheese, and then ketchup and mayo on top. So I made the beef, well, I didn't make the meat. Chris made the beef to go on top, but it's a combination of onions and garlic, kind of get those going, and then you have the beef in there, some peppers, as well as tomato sauce, cilantro, just a bunch of different things. And now we're going to put this all together. Christopher, he's ready. We have the nice meat sauce right here. Looks good, it smells amazing. Oh, smell that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's almost like chili, but better. So you're gonna put some of this on. I don't know how much to put on, but I would say a lot.
We'll say when.
Not doing a very good job, but I'm attempting to do this with my left hand. So you know what?
Yeah, I was wondering. You know what? That's good.
Okay, and then we have to put some cheese. Ooh. Well, technically this needs to melt. Melt faster.
Microwave?
Yeah, they said we could do that. Then on top is ketchup and mayo. I'm sorry, I know, again with the mayo.
Maybe on half?
On half. Where'd the mayo go?
I killed it.
Okay, ketchup and mayo right on top.
I don't know how much I endorse that.
I don't know how I feel about this. And then, of course, your favorite, just on half. Woo! It was trying to scare you.
It succeeded.
Ah! Wow. I mean, it's doing a good job at not doing a good job. All right. I wanted to make it look prettier. I'm really sorry. Gotta get some with the mayo. Not all of the mayo, but some. Okay. Okay, I get it.
That meat mixture is good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really good.
Okay, so I'm part Irish. This reminds me a bit of shepherd's pie. You got the potato layer, you've got the beef and veggie layer, and then you've got ketchup. This has a lot of the same elements.
Very flavorful though.
But there are more exotic spices on here than nothing.
This is what you would want to eat after the bar.
Yeah,
this is like
a plate of this after the bar.
Yeah.
This is getting better the more I eat it.
Yeah. Oh, we have to save room because there is another post-bar food. I wonder what it could be. Actually, I think I have all of the things together for the last two. Okay, so the first one is from England and also Ireland. I saw a lot of comments on both, but it is the chip butty. I've never had one before, but it is basically a bun with lots of butter and chips. Not chips. Why did I say chips? French fries.
Well, in England.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
Yes. See, just trying.
Did anyone say spice bag?
Spice bag.
Yeah.
What's a spice bag?
It's an Irish thing, I think, kind of. And it's literally like a bag of French fries, like a chip bag of French fries with like probably maybe like chopped masala or stuff, but like spice blend on it. I don't know. I've heard it's popular there. So
It sounds really good.
Irish people, yes, spice bag.
Let us know.
Okay.
Maybe we'll do a round two. But first, chip buddy. We have a roll. Again, this was also controversial. Some people said it was white bread, and some people said a white roll. I had a white roll, so we're gonna go with that one.
Yep.
And lots of butter.
I like it already.
We'll send it there. Oh yeah, and then also this, you can put like HP sauce on it or ketchup, little catsup, you know. I just want to eat it like this. I'll be honest. This
Bread
looks
and butter,
really
baby.
good. It's so fluffy.
I thought you said lots.
So sorry. Embarrassing for me. Can't believe I did that.
I mean, if there are instructions.
They did say lots of butter. Butter. Boom. Now they didn't specify how much. So
Keep
I mean,
going.
I feel like that's not enough. Is it more? I think it's more. Boom.
It's a good start.
I mean, it probably needs a little bit more. You know what? I'm just using my hands. Yeah.
Do we have HP? Oh, we do have HP.
Yeah. HP or ketchup. I'm sure there are other options as well. But this sounded interesting. It's been a really long time since I've had HP sauce. I don't know how much to put on. Is that too much? More?
Oh yeah,
Is that good?
it's a good start.
Get it. No cheese, no nothing. Keeping it simple. Let's try it.
Slancha.
It's bread and potatoes.
That's the most beige bite I've ever eaten.
It's very beige, but buttery, potatoey. I'm gonna be really honest, I don't think I would make this again, but I can understand and appreciate why someone would enjoy this.
If they're hungry and all they have on hand are these 4 ingredients, then I could understand why someone would enjoy this.
Yeah.
Listen, the other stuff you made today was really good.
It was really good.
So this would have had a tough time.
I mean, the Korean butter though. Korean honey butter, sorry, England. I still love you. But you know what's going to win all of them is the next one, which is the best and most important way to eat French fries.
What's that, eh?
Poutine.
Believe it.
Poutine time! And this isn't just any kind of poutine. This is made with your gravy. This is a, what do you say, thyme and...
Peppercorn. All good gravy should have peppercorn. If you don't have pepper in your gravy, what are you even doing? That's why...
I burned myself.
good?
I was too excited. Yeah, I'm good. Okay, go ahead.
That's why KFC gravy is the best gravy. Now, KFC doesn't do a lot of things right, but they do gravy perfectly.
You haven't tried poutine yet. This is your sign to try it. First of all, French fries.
Yes.
Second of all,
Cheese curds. Now, if you're gonna get cheese curds, get fresh cheese curds like that day. If you can't get them, supermarket cheese curds will do, but they're not the same.
It's not the same. Don't compare if that is your only experience. I mean, if you're really gonna get poutine, I feel like you need to go to Montreal, Quebecois, and then of course, gravy. First of all, appreciate the gravy. Ooh, for pouring.
Good gravy distribution is important in poutine.
Crucial. And don't knock the cheese curds until you've tried good cheese curds. The name sounds gross. It sounds like when I think of it, I think of cottage cheese.
Yeah,
It's not.
The word curd is not a pleasant one. Although lemon curd is delicious too. Maybe curd is a good word. Well, curd. Curd is the word.
Masterful. Speaking of beige food, and I mean, like there are different varieties. I feel like I've tried a bunch. Like post-bar, there's like variations with beef and other spices, but like this is the classic.
Bacon double cheeseburger poutine.
Oh my gosh, I
or
remember
pulled
that.
pork poutine.
Pulled pork poutine. That is it right there. Okay. Gotta get a cheese curd. Lots of gravy. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how it's done.
That's how the world's got to eat fries.
Especially with a good gravy, good cheese curds. Huge difference. That's so good. I know you're gonna take this plate away from me, but you best believe when I finish filming with everyone, I'm taking it back.
It's important that you know that I'm taking it.
I knew it would happen. I know you're going to take it.
Bye, everyone.
But just so you know, I'm taking it back. Don't go far.
Whatever's left, you can have.
Oh wait, you were to tell me what your favorite one was.
This.
Right, that's fair.
Chopped masala was the best one of the others, for sure.
That was really good.
Yeah, it was really, really good.
I'm still up with the honey butter is still calling my name, but the chopped masala was up there. Like those are 1 and 2, other than obviously poutine. Poutine has my heart.
Just for the simplicity, right? Like it just elevated the fries so much, just with a little sprinkle.
Yeah.
But I mean, that Euroa was very good.
Yes, also good. And I found that it was good with the mayo, but it didn't need the mayo. Thank you, Christopher. Off he goes to enjoy my poutine. So tell me, if you have tried any of these before, let me know which one your favorite is. And if you haven't tried poutine yet, please let this be your opportunity and sign to do so because it is so good. Not a healthy option, don't get me wrong, but it's good. And it was such a fun experience getting to try all these different flavors in different ways that, I don't know, just knowing that you all enjoy these different variations, it makes my heart really happy. And I'm glad I got to try some of them with you guys. And big thanks to Cavendish Farms for supporting this video. Check out these videos on the side in case you have missed any. Check out the fries video that we did last time where we tried out some like very unique ways of eating fries. And that's everything. I hope you guys are having a fantastic, fantastic weekend, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Love you all. Mwah.